Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am taking you on a night point of view drive with this car, the new generation Citroen C3 Aircross. As you can see, we have the new design language from Citroen with this lovely new face, looking elegant and robust. We have the new Citroen logo in the middle and then the new lights with the new lighting signature from Citroen, like we saw on the other new models as well. 17-inch wheels on this particular model. We have the max trim, dual tone, so you have 2 roof colors and 6 exterior colors available. Now let us move on to the rear. 4 meters 39 is the length of the car. It is longer than the predecessor, and now you see from the rear, I will lock it and then unlock it so that you can see the lighting signature. That goes very well with the lighting signature on the front. New Citroen logo here as well. 460 liters up to 1,600 liters when you fold the seats in this 5-seat version. And I say in this because you can also get the 7-seater as well. We have the dual floor, and now we are ready to go on a nice relaxed night drive. So without further ado, there we go. Let me show you the interior. These are finished in white. The idea is that you see what you have here in your door pocket. You also have the tags here, so be cool, and others around, on the doors. And yeah, these are the Citroen Advanced Comfort seats, and I can tell you they are so comfortable, and so is the car itself. Now let's see it from driver's perspective and let's go on a drive. Okay, then welcome to the interior, the Season Lounge. I will put the key here and turn on the car, and we are ready. There we go. So put it to drive. Here is the minimalistic gear selector, and we are ready to go. With electric power. So let's start with the specifications of the model in our video. It is the Hybrid 145. It combines the new generation 1.2 liter petrol unit, so the 1.2 PureTech turbocharged petrol, specially developed for this hybrid, and then the electrified dual clutch automatic transmission with integrated electric motor, 21 kilowatt electric motor. And then there's also, of course, the 48-volt battery. So that is the hybrid system, and the result is very smooth drive. You will see that a lot of time we will use, the car will use just electric power, so that is pretty impressive again. And this will be especially noticeable on during the city drive. And speaking about the powertrain options, Citroen gives customers a wide range of options. So you can have the petrol, 1.2 liter turbocharged petrol, 100 horsepower, paired with the 6-speed manual. Then you can have this hybrid 145, and then there are 2 electric versions: standard range 44 kilowatt hour battery and the extended range 54 kilowatt hour battery. So those are the options. Lot to choose from. Share your thoughts with me. Which powertrain would you choose for this car? Okay, we can go. But now we are on this very bumpy section of the road, and the drive is so smooth here. the car is so comfortable. We have the Citroen Advanced Comfort suspension and the Citroen Advanced Comfort seats, and that means, of course, such a smooth drive. And the layout here in front of us, so we have the C-Zen Lounge, as Citroen calls it, the head-up display, the very innovative head-up display with loads of information on it, as you can see. And then in the middle, 10.25-inch touchscreen. The AC is controlled on switches, which is always nice to see. You can change the temperature and the air blower. And you have this lovely layout of the dashboard with also some nice materials. Steering wheel is small, 2-spoke one, and feels very nice in hand. Definitely a pleasure to drive and to control the car with this steering wheel. It's got the new Citroen badge, of course, as well. You saw it also from outside, and the new badges. And you see how smooth this is. You have this power flow view here, and you can see what is happening. Now this is the beeping sound, which is mandatory by law. So as soon as you go just a bit over the speed limit, the car will start to beep. But if you press this, now we've deactivated that. 8.3 seconds is the time to reach 100 for this model, and the top speed is 188 kilometers per hour. The infotainment system is very simple, easy to use, and here we have the navigation. So the model in our video has got the Max trim. There are 3 trims available, U, Plus and Max, and also a lot of customization available. Again, 6 colors, 2 roof colors, and then also color packs are available as well to customize some smaller elements and different colors. So overall you can really, personalize your car. And I'm interested, which kind of specification would you choose for this model? And we don't have the standard ambient lights, but you do have the interior lights here on the sides with very lovely pattern, a nice touch to the interior. Like this during the night, you can really notice it even more. So a thumb up from me for that. Now you may saw that we did have to insert the key here to start the car, even though this is the top of the line trim. So that is a bit unusual, I would say. So even though I quite like this, I mean, haven't done that for quite a long time actually. And then by pressing this button here, we can change the details here in front of us. So for example, this Charge Eco Power view is quite cool. And then when you press this, you go into the settings for driver assist systems and user settings. Alright guys, that was it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do subscribe to the channel, check out my other videos, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.